horns in the sky. Some have called them like angel horns,
right,
mysterious horns.
Yeah, like the trumpets of the signaling of Judgment Day.
Is there like a scientist somewhere who can offer any sort of attempt at an explanation?
Welcome to this quick video from me. This video is about these, well, I don't know if you know or whatever, but I'm going to explain all now. Now, across the world, there's been many videos of this. It sounds like trumpet noises coming from the sky, which obviously, you know, if someone told you I just heard a trumpet from the sky, you know, you'd probably start laughing. But I'll show you some videos in a minute. I think just recently there was some videos coming from Ireland, but you'll see in this next clip of videos that I'm going to show you, this is happening worldwide. This like, it's like almost, it sounds to me like machinery noise in the sky, which, you know, obviously that sounds really far-fetched, but I'm not saying that it is. I actually don't know what it is. I don't think anybody does. There's people in the religious, you know, areas that'll say these are angels, and you know the sounds of trumpet angels. Now, personally, you know, there has to be more credibility than that, you know. Anyway, I'm going to show you this footage now, and let you see for yourself. And you know, I don't know if you're all on Meter, if you see this kind of stuff, but it's definitely all over TikTok, and you know, these sounds just keep happening across the world. So here we go with these sounds. Maybe if you've got earphones on, you'll be able to hear it, but even if you haven't, it shouldn't really matter.
ما فازم بيجي سلامي لما
Now, the one in Jerusalem, obviously, you know, it's daytime, and it could be trains, or it could be people. Maybe there's, I don't know, maybe there's a rave on, maybe there's worship going on, you know, you just don't know these things. So I'm not even going to spectate or even speculate what this noise is, because I've got no idea. But there'll be people out there that think, you know, or they'll write something, you know, with their beliefs, that's fine. That's what the comments box is for. I'd love to hear some kind of speculation on what these noises are. Anyway, I'm going to show you some more footage now, because like I don't think that's enough. So I'm going to fire off some more footage and show you a little bit more.
It's like jumping noises. Damn. Cool. Is it like that? Man, looks like that's a cool electric super up there. What the hell? What the hell? You heard that? Holy shit, what is that? Where's it coming from? What the fuck is it?
what is a mysterious sound? I don't know. If you want to know, you know, hit the comments box. Tell me what you think. I won't even know what to start with that. You know, because I mean, where could you go with that? I mean, the conspiracy theories will say it's HARP, which is a weapons device, where you can weaponize weather. Really, you know, I don't know how true that is, or if it's, you know, whatever. You know what I mean? But anyway, I thought I'd do this quick video. It's Friday, so hopefully you have a happy Friday, and look out for Sunday, because it's when we go to the museum, and that's a pretty good do if you ask me. It's always a good video, so hopefully see you Sunday for the premiere of I can't remember what it's called now. I think it's I Go to Touchstones Museum or something. But hopefully I'll see you in that live feed. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but see you soon.